Hello, guys. Welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Thank you for all your lovely comments and encouragement all around the world. Thank you so much. I'll try to post frequent videos. Also, I'm planning to give free readings on Sunday, March 7th, 2021 at 11:30 a.m. So do join me on that day. Let's do general collective reading for sign of Sagittarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is a straight up reading what you need to know about your current situation. So it includes problems and you are facing, the lies you believe in, true facts, solutions with advice and current energies around you. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. So let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get into your reading. So, first messages I'm getting are walk away, door to romance, door to value. So, and shadow card is community. So, here what I'm getting is you need to walk away from what community is gossiping about you or people around you are talking about you behind your back. Don't get worried about them because door to romance and money is opening. So you are going to a prosperous life. So don't worry about it. So let's see what is the problem you're facing right now. First, I'll just see the cards and tell you what are signs I'm getting very prominent here. Devil is Capricorn, Aquarius. You might be dealing with these signs, or these signs might be in your chart or your person's people around you who are dealing with you. So let's see. So here, first problem cards are Two of Wands, King of Wands, and King of Swords. I think you have two choices to make. One you have to cut, and the other person is a player. King of Wands is a typical player, charismatic, very well-to-do person, but it's a waste of time in my opinion. Okay, King of Swords is some truth about this player has come out. Okay, so now you have to make Two of Wands is you have to make two choices between two paths in your life. Should you go this path or this path? That is the problem. You are just stuck in some way. You're waiting for something. You're making up your mind about this King of Wands. So this is the Star, the Empress, and Three of Wands. I think you have come to know that there is some third person in your picture with your person. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. And now there is one more person in your like with your person. You have come to know that there is some one more person, and you are looking forward for this person. Like, who is this? This card is telling me that who is this person? Empress is ultimate woman, ultimate person. If you are a man, this is your who is this person you want to know, and you want to heal the situation. Why this happened? That is what I can see. You are so much worried. You are worried. It's okay. So what is the lie? You are worried about this other person, the third party, because your person is playing a player card here and you are very angry about it. You have come to know about something that there is a third person involved in your relationship, might be. So you are worried that I'm the wife material, and why is offering his love to some other person. Yeah, Sagittarius. So this is the thing. Now, what is the truth? Truth is High Priestess, Five of Swords, and the Devil. Devil is a very bad card. Moreover, it's a Five of Swords. So this secret about this third person is made you very angry. You're very angry and you want to win at all cost. Yeah, this is what is happening. You're not able to make up your mind that if you want to hold back or you want to fight for this. And you are so much angry about this person, why he did that to you. So what is the solution to your problem? This King of Wands, he has backstabbed you. So you need to end this relationship. Communicate with them. Why did they did this to you? Why didn't they speak with you? Why they kept you on hold? Seven of Pentacle can be a person who, like this person had a very long relationship with you. Might be 7 years, might be 7 months. Yeah, it's a long-term relationship. See, Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands. Here in this card, you can see that you should communicate with your person. Why he kept you on hold, and you should end this relationship, because if you end this with them, if you walk away, the door to romance and wealth will open for you. It's just opening. Can you see these doors? See, romance, and you have kept your heart locked with him in that cage. Free yourself from him. Get over this heartbreak. That is what the solution is. Don't get anxious. Don't be so worried. Don't cry in night. I can see that. You're not able to make up your mind you want to stay with them or you want to walk away. And you want to know who is this third person. Ultimately, you are the empress. Maybe you are a man or a woman, it doesn't matter, because you don't run with around for such people like King of Wands. King of Wands is a player energy. He will keep on going from one person to other. So let's see what are the see king. I told you, you are an empress. So this is king, queen of cups. You have lot of love to offer. So what are your suggestions? Like what is your advice? Hierophant. If you are into spirituality, seek guidance from that. If you are into a long term relationship, if you want a long term relationship, then you have lot of love to offer. See, you have lot of love to offer in a committed relationship, not in this on in this see again devil. Oh my god, you are definitely dealing with a Scorpio. My god, they will show you in this card. Can you see the star on his head? Whenever you think about them, you have lot of hope from them, because they make you believe that. See, they make you believe, they make you obsessed with them. But you are a different person. You are a very lovable person, Sagittarius. You have lot of love to offer whomever you get married or you will be in a long term relationship. You have lot of love to offer to other person. You want a committed person, not a player. Free your heart from this pain. Get over it, guys. I hope this reading will resonate with you. I hope if this reading has helped you understand your current situation to some extent, please do like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.